This is the demo for the shell catcher for the Benelli Montefeltro made by LPG Works. To install the shell catcher, you want to make sure that the bolt is locked back. And then the shell catcher installs by snapping over the ejection port and over the top of the gun, like so. And to insert around, you want to insert it through the opening in the front and drop it in, and I will do a demo of 3 shots for you to see. To remove the shell catcher, you simply want to just lift off the top right here, and it comes right off. These can be found on the website at lpgworks.com. Thank you.